Welcome back to CU Coin Value. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of Japanese coinage, specifically the legendary 10 yen coin without a mint mark from the years 1951 to 1958. If you've ever wondered why these coins are so sought after, how valuable they truly are, and whether you might have a fortune hiding in your collection, then stick around because this video is for you. Let's start with the history. The 10 yen coin was introduced in Japan in 1951, during the post-war economic reconstruction period. Japan was undergoing rapid changes, and the government needed a reliable coinage system to stabilize commerce. These coins, minted between 1951 and 1958, were part of the country's efforts to establish a modern financial system. The coin features the stunning Phoenix Hall of Byadoin Temple on the reverse side, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The obverse side displays the face value, 10 yen, and the year of minting in the traditional Japanese calendar. This iconic design reflects Japan's deep cultural heritage and architectural marvels, making it a masterpiece in numismatics. Now, here's the twist. Most 10 yen coins from this period were produced with a small mint mark, but a rare batch was minted without any mark. The absence of this mint mark indicates a unique production error or a limited run. As we know, errors or anomalies in coin production significantly increase a coin's desirability among collectors. Coins without the mint mark are incredibly rare. Over time, these coins have become harder to find, as many were lost, melted down, or circulated into oblivion. For collectors, rarity is king. Owning such a coin is like holding a piece of Japan's post-war recovery in your hand. Yes, it is. The value of these coins has skyrocketed in recent years due to their rarity and the growing demand among collectors. The combination of historical significance, stunning design, and the absence of a mint mark makes this coin a must-have for serious numismatists. So, how much is it worth? Well, depending on the condition, these coins can fetch anywhere from $500 to an astonishing $2,000 or more in the numismatic market. The highest recorded sale of a pristine, uncirculated version went for over $2,500 at an auction. But wait, not all coins are valued equally. The condition of the coin is crucial. Coins in uncirculated or mint condition fetch the highest prices. Even coins in fine condition hold significant value, but if you've got one in excellent or near mint condition, you're looking at a small fortune. Collectors love this coin not just for its rarity, but for its story. It's a symbol of resilience and recovery for Japan after World War II. Owning this coin is like owning a piece of history, a tangible reminder of a nation's perseverance. To identify if you have the valuable no mint mark version, look closely at the bottom of the reverse side of the coin. If there's no small circular symbol, mint mark, congratulations, you might be holding onto a treasure. If you're ready to sell, specialized coin auctions, online platforms like eBay, or dedicated coin dealers are your best bet. Be sure to get your coin graded and authenticated by a professional grading service like NGC or PCGS to maximize its value. Authentication is key. Fake coins are unfortunately common in the world of rare collectibles. Getting your coin certified ensures you get the maximum value for your treasure. This coin represents more than its monetary value. It's a story of overcoming challenges. Just like this coin, which has survived decades and is now highly sought after, you too can find hidden value in unexpected places. Imagine finding this coin in your collection or inheriting it from a loved one and realizing it's worth thousands. It's moments like these that make coin collecting so exciting and rewarding. If you're new to coin collecting, let this coin inspire you. Start small, do your research, and who knows? Maybe you'll uncover your own hidden treasure. To preserve your rare 10 yen coin, store it in a protective holder and keep it in a cool, dry place. Proper storage ensures that the coin retains its value for years to come. Even if you don't have this coin yet, don't lose hope. Visit flea markets, estate sales, and antique shops. You never know where you might find this valuable gem. Coin collecting isn't just a hobby, it's a way to connect with history and culture. This 10 yen coin is a testament to the power of small objects to tell big stories. Many collectors have turned their passion into profit by selling rare coins like this one. Who knows? Your coin might be the next big find that changes your life. Be part of a global community of coin enthusiasts who share your passion. Join forums, attend coin shows, and subscribe to channels like CU Coin Value to stay updated on the latest trends. Remember, treasures like the 1951 to 1958 no-mint mark 10 yen coin are out there waiting to be discovered. It could be in your collection, a family heirloom, or even hiding in plain sight. So, keep searching, stay curious, and never stop exploring the fascinating world of coins. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to CU Coin Value for more amazing stories about rare and valuable coins. Turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest uploads. Thanks for watching, and happy collecting!